Tired of shampoos that strip your hair or leave it flat and lifeless? Imagine a daily shampoo that not only cleanses thoroughly but also restores moisture and boosts volume. That's exactly what you get with Paul Mitchell's Hawaiian Awapuhi Shampoo. It's designed for every hair type and keeps your color vibrant without any harsh chemicals. If you want hair that feels fresh, hydrated, and full of life, this shampoo deserves your attention. I've been using this shampoo for years, and it's been a game changer. Whether you're dealing with dry strands or just need a deep clean after a long day, the Awapuhi formula delivers. The scent alone is worth it, light, fresh, and a little tropical. It turns your shower into a mini escape. Plus, it's vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free, so you're treating your hair and scalp gently without sacrificing performance. For anyone with dry or color-treated hair, this shampoo helps balance moisture without weighing you down. What makes it stand out? The Hawaiian Awapuhi plant extract is key. It cleanses deeply while protecting your hair's natural oils. You'll notice the difference right away. Hair feels softer, looks shinier, and has more body. Plus, it's safe for color-treated hair, so your vibrant hues stay true longer. If that's you, this shampoo is worth a look. Try massaging it into wet hair, rinse, and repeat as needed for the best results. Ready to upgrade your hair care routine? Paul Mitchell's Hawaiian Awapuhi Shampoo offers a perfect blend of gentle cleansing and nourishing moisture. It's ideal for anyone who wants healthier, more voluminous hair without harsh ingredients. If you're looking for a reliable, proven shampoo that stands the test of time, just like many fans who've used it for decades, this is the one. Try it when you're ready and see what changes it brings to your hair.